This is something super cute for you guys to be able to make. Hey guys, so today I'm going to the fabric store and I have so much to do. So I'm going to be picking up this fabric that I'm going to be using to show you guys how to sew this super cute matching two-piece lingerie set. Grab this free sewing pattern when you join the Socialite Sew members area and spend the day with me fabric shopping and sewing. Subscribe to my channel and tap open app above this video so you can do so without signing in. Hey Socialites, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at Joanns, the fabric store, and we are going to be shopping for fabric to make lingerie sets. And I'm so excited about this because we are going to be using the Nika tank top and panty pattern to make this design. You guys can get that pattern free when you join the Socialite Sew members area on the app. And yeah, so this is going to be a super fun project today. I really want to make something dope. I had this idea. I know Rihanna has her Savage X Fenty line. The colors, I always get that, you know, that periwinkle purple, the black, the white, that vibe. So I got this fabric. It's a mesh velvet fabric, like it's a four-way stretch mesh velvet. So it's see-through, but then it's also velvet in it. It's so cute. I think I'm gonna use that, but just so that I have other options, I came here to get some more fabric. And then I'm gonna be getting some, what else am I gonna be getting? I'm gonna be getting some, what am I getting? How did I just forget what I came here for? I'm gonna be getting folder of elastic, and then I have another pattern that's going to be launching in members area next month that you guys can get for free. So I'm going to be buying fabric for that as well, just so that I'm prepared. I can get the tutorial and all that stuff out the way first. So yeah, let's shop around. So these are all the like stretch print fabrics over here. Then they have like fur fabrics over here, different color furs, some solid stretch fabric, Sherpa fleece, and I'm loving this right here. So this is like faux leather and it feels so nice and soft. They even have like corduroy, and then you have the black faux leather over here. I really like this. I like this black and I like the gray. This is like a pink corduroy. That's cute. A blue corduroy, green, black. These are also nice. I also really like this fabric. It looks like it's corduroy, but it's really not. It's navy blue, but it has like this really nice drape to it, and it's still really stretchy. So like I can stretch that out like that. I think this might be better for that project. We'll see.
And you want 3 yards?
Yes. And 3 yards of that. And make sure y'all use those 50% off coupons at Joanns. They help you save a lot of money. So let's get right into this. After everything is cut out, this is what the pieces will look like. So the panties will look like this and the top will look like this. So we're gonna open up the top. So I have my elastic on. So now I'm going to add this decorative trim. I'm gonna go ahead and sew all of this together. So I'm gonna start from here, come around. And just like that, our set is done. If you turn to the back, the straps are there, the underwear is done, and I'm going to see how that looks. So you are going to go ahead and join the Socialite Sew members area today to get that pattern.